This is my full day of eating keto on the weekends. So on the weekends, I do not count my macros. I intuitively eat. So this is going to be 2 eggs with 3 ounces of Chihuahua cheese and 2 pieces of bacon. You guys can tell, yo girl is so sick. I can't, oh God, this cold is killing me. But yeah, so I wanted to share with you how I kind of do keto on the weekends. But today is also so amazing because this is a collab with the ever famous real life keto queen, Michelle Rock. She was my inspiration to actually start keto, and I've been watching her for years. Guys, stop what you're doing, click out of my video, click out of my channel, and go follow her because she will keep you motivated. She is amazing. Thank you, Michelle, for collabing with me because I know your video is bomb, girl. So it's later in the afternoon and it is lunchtime. So for lunch, I have my bulletproof coffee. I will link the video up above so if you guys wanted to see how I make it. But yes, this is lunch. Alright, so here is my dinner. This is 3 ounces of 80/20 ground beef with a half a tablespoon of cream cheese, and I'm gonna have them like dipping it in these pork rinds. I absolutely love these. They're so good. You can get them from like the Mexican markets. They're kind of difficult to find, but if you are lucky enough, I'm trying to pull one out of the bag here. See, they kind of look like this. They're fried pork skins. These are like the real deal though. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my meat into that, and that's gonna be dinner. And you can see that these have 0 carbs. Don't really look at that protein because it's not real. It's basically just pure fat. All right, guys, I'm going to end this night with a hot cup of tea and rest my voice and my body because I am not doing too good. But please check out my girl, Michelle. I am telling you, she is the real life keto queen. Her Instagram will give you so many food ideas and her recipes. She's literally been my complete inspiration for starting this journey, and I am so thankful for her and for doing this collab with me. So thank you, Michelle. All right, my friends, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy.